Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to link a checkings account to Robinhood. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are just getting started with Robinhood. How do you actually go ahead and link your checkings account? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the Robinhood app. Next, on the bottom hand corner or right hand corner, you're going to click on the profile icon. Now from here, you're going to click on the hamburger icon on the upper left hand corner. Next, click on transfers. And then from here, it's going to show you some on-screen prompts where you could actually scroll down and link to your checkings account. So right now, it actually doesn't allow me to screen record just because there's some personal information there. But once you click on transfers, you should be allowed to go ahead and link your checkings account. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and link your checkings account to Robinhood. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.